Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really fun and easy nail stamp nail design. So I already painted my nails with blue polish, and I'm going to apply a hollow glitter polish on top of it just to give this stamping design something more fun to look at. Usually you just add the polish onto your nails and stamp the stamping design on your nails, and that's it. I just wanted to add something more prettier. Now I'm going to use my Winstonia Eastern Beauty nail plate. I got this on Amazon. I'm going to apply black stamping polish onto this nice nail design. I love the design of this. I just thought it looked perfect on top of my nails. I wanted to do, like I said, something really easy and simple, a quick nail design, but make it look really fun. And once I was done removing the liquid latex, I just applied a quick dry top coat. Really simple nail design. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.